Nobody thought a tree could power a whole block. But engineers designed the living biosolar tower. This tower grows a thick skin of translucent algae. The algae captures sunlight and turns it into electricity. It works like a giant leaf that never falls. The tower's core is a steel spine for support. Around the spine, vines coil and weave a green carpet. Each vine contains microtubes that carry nutrient water. Workers pump water from a nearby river into the tubes. The water feeds the algae and keeps it alive. During the day, the algae glows with soft blue light. The light pulses when it generates power, that means it flashes. Sensors in the tower measure how much energy is made. Smart panels store the electricity in underground batteries. At night, the tower still glows, but it does not charge. Instead, it shares light with the street below. Neighbors walk beneath, feeling a cool mist from the vines. Kids play near the base, climbing the soft bark. The tower also filters rain, cleaning water for the city. This makes the whole block greener and cleaner. Cities can copy this design to replace diesel generators. The concept fits the solar punk ideal of tech growing from plants. It shows how nature and engineering can hug each other. Imagine a skyline full of glowing green towers. That future feels hopeful and within reach. Governments already funded pilot towers in 3 coastal towns. The pilots cut electricity bills by 20%. Local farms report healthier soil thanks to the mist. Scientists study the tower to learn about bioenergy, power from living things. Soon, schools may use mini towers for lessons.